Hello and welcome to this new video. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how you can create forms inside the GetSign editor and use those forms to collect data from your leads. Let's see how it works. In this example, I have a Monday.com board with a list of leads, and now we want to send them a form to gather a few details. First, open the GetSign item view. Then, upload your form template. I've created a simple template that includes the event logo. Once the form is uploaded, you'll be able to edit it and insert fields. Now we'll begin adding form labels and placing form fields below them to collect responses from the user. I already have 2 fields in place. Next, I'll add a couple of questions. That's all I want to include in this form. Now we'll save the template. Next, we'll drag and drop the appropriate fields from the right-hand panel. In front of the name field, we'll add the item name so it reflects correctly. For the email, we'll drag and drop the email field to match it. Now we'll begin adding the text boxes for collecting user input. Since we haven't yet created the target columns on the board, we'll create them now directly from here. I'll go ahead and create a column each for the fields. I'll also make them as required fields and assign it to the same email address used for this item. Since we want to send this form to users, we must include a signature field. So I'll drag and drop a signature field at the bottom of the form. This ensures the file is eligible for sending. Let's preview the document. Everything looks good, so we'll go ahead and save it. Now we'll close the editor and configure the remaining settings. We'll go to Signature Collection, choose a status column, and select a file column where the completed forms will be stored. We'll also set a trigger to send the document. In the email settings, we can customize the subject line and upload a logo if needed. Once everything is configured, click Save. You'll be prompted to verify your email address. Now that all settings are complete and the email is verified, we can trigger the document send by either using the Share section or simply updating the status to Ready to Send, which will automatically start the automation. The email will be triggered and you can see that the file is sent. Now I've received the email. It says, "Hi Rachel Jones, please fill this form." The logo is visible and I'll click to review and sign. Let's get started. Now I can fill out the form. I'll complete each field and click Finish. You'll see that the status is marked as completed, and all form responses are now stored in their respective columns. The completed form, along with the user's signature, is now attached. And that's how you can create a form in GetSign. Use it to collect data from your leads and streamline your document workflows directly inside Monday.com.